Folklore beliefs surrounding furin, or Japanese wind chimes, are rooted in traditions that span generations. One prevalent belief is that the gentle tinkling of furin serves as a protective charm, believed to ward off evil spirits and negative energies. The idea is that the melodic sounds produced by the wind chimes act as a barrier, creating a sacred and purified space within one's home. Furin are also thought to bring good luck and blessings, especially during the hot and humid summer months when they are most commonly hung. Additionally, some stories suggest that the sound of furin can summon the presence of ancestral spirits, providing a connection to the past and a sense of continuity with one's heritage.
Thanks for watching this video.